Okay, so a couple little things today. It is subframe collar time for the Z32. Apologize, my eyelid's a little swollen. Something's going on, allergies, whatever. But I feel fine. So, still gonna tackle this. It's an off day. Something that's needed to be done for a while. Also, probably gonna do an oil change. I don't think I'm gonna video that, and finally get the oil pressure sensor replaced, since, you know, like always, they tend to fail and it's not working. And I want to keep an eye on oil pressure until we get this oil leak completely fixed up, which will be getting done soon. So just a couple little things today, but we'll get started and go over the install. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward install. You basically have four bushings in your subframe. Basically what you're going to do for all four, the two rear and your, oh, there's a nest, nice, fronts, you're basically going to loosen all four of these. I believe they're what size do we got here? 17, and they're going to be able to slip the top ones up top once you drop the subframe down. Once you're done with that, you'll lift it back up, and then you're going to loosen each one of these one at a time to pull it down, install your bottom, and put it back up. So we'll go over that here. Okay guys, so again, like I said, pretty straightforward. I'm loosened all these, left the nut on there so that the subframe can drop just enough. The lip goes in. Same with the bottom, they kind of go in, and I'll show you that here, but it sits in. So this basically, see if I can get into where you can see, slip right in, sit right down. We'll do this with all four, then we'll lift it up, and then we'll install the bottoms. Okay, so one other thing I forgot to mention, but again, pretty straightforward, is you'll need to remove these brackets for the fronts. You'll actually probably have to loosen them to get the top ones in, but just 2 bolts, pretty easy. Once you loosen them, you'll be able to slide the top in, and then I'm just going to start with these for the bottoms. Like I said, they'll go in like this. You'll put the bracket back on, tighten it up, be good to go. All right guys, and there you have it. Install done. Again, very easy. One thing, of course, is it will probably help to have a jack to help lift up the subframe when you're trying to put these in and tighten them down so you can get enough thread to put the nut on the end one at a time. But other than that, pretty straightforward. Make sure you torque them to spec, and yeah, I mean, it's a very quick and easy install. Great improvement, especially if your old rubber bushings are super worn like they usually are on these cars with age. So a whole lot easier than replacing the bushings. All right guys.